Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys our auto rotate screen in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to solve guys this auto rotate screen setting. So friends, how can you solve it in your Tecno phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to solve this rotate screen. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys you have guys the same problem. So don't worry guys, I will show you guys how can you solve this auto screen problem. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys solve this problem guys? You can see this type of setting. So guys, click on guys your phone setting guys and scroll it. And friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting guys. Tap here your display and brightness setting and guys again scroll. So you can see guys your auto rotate screen. So you can see guys it's right side guys. This you can see this blue icon is enabled. So friends, click here and guys it will solve guys your problem will solve. And guys when guys you will move your phone and guys you will try to rotate, so it will not rotate guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve auto screen problem in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.